ang siya kaya kung ni kung tumpay ta suicide hijitam mo kanya
sani le som ngai na ming som ni le giatina lamka janga amau hinna na kilata 2016 ina mi som le gukin 2017 na mi som le giat tu tana akithei tana
you have aspirations unmet
life ha fast pace lota
hiai kha a normal suicide rate kilo wai
tuan galon kini 97 mo hoya kata kata piom mo
na sabtom le confused ma aiso
and as Christians imo wang now
he is yan dizon ma setan in kha pata email ma
I think a bigger question is why is suicide treated as a crime ma
and the Bible says it's an attack on the image of God,
which means it is a sin.
It is a sin. Is this how we